Hi there. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I am so excited. It is Sunday, and here we are. We're enjoying Sunday. And so, with that said, what are we going to talk about today? Because I thought that Sunday's a really good day to reset and just kind of like figure out what we're going to do for a week. So, here's the thing: is I want you to start planning this. Is that guess what? Let's figure out what your resolutions pregame is. And so what by that I mean is that, everyone sets resolutions in January, and it's kind of comical to me because for me, that's when like our business just skyrockets as a fitness professional, a health professional. Oh my God, everybody wants to talk to us in January. And then that lasts a couple of weeks, and then they don't talk to us again after that because they really didn't have a plan to get in there. So I want to give you guys a plan so that you can make 2019 the best year ever. You can't set resolutions and not make it anywhere. And if you're looking at your body right now and saying, you know what, my body's not really where I want it to be, well then guys, you got to make a change. I can't really emphasize that enough. I deal with you guys all the time. And you're coming to me, I call you guys seekers, sorry. Some of you guys are seekers. And seekers are those people that go from like one diet plan to the next diet plan, to the next trainer, to the next guru, to the next spiritual leader, and they still haven't figured out how to change their bodies. And guess what? You, my friend, have full control. Full control, okay? So I'm here to just kind of give it to you as it is, and that's what I do. I tell it to you as it is, and so if you're looking at your body, look down, look around. See, I've got my Super Diva shirt. Do you like this? Look at this, huh? Yep. Judge Ruth Ginsburg, this is her shirt because my friend is her trainer. I love him dearly, and I'm really proud of my Super Diva shirt. So you have to decide, what is 2019 going to look like? What is your body going to look like? What is it going to feel like? And please, my friend, please, let's not go on the next trendy diet that there is for the 27th time, because if it hasn't served you 27 times yet, it's not going to serve you the 28th time. So let's just make real changes. You guys are a finely tuned engine. You're a machine. Please treat yourself as such. So if I gave you a Maserati, you are a Maserati. That's like a really cool car where your body is that machine. And so it doesn't deserve Coke or Diet Coke or a Twizzler or a cracker or any of that. Feed yourself fuel, my friends, fuel. And so fuel is good fruits and vegetables, like I always say, good quality proteins. Care about what you put into your mouth, really. Do you know, I want you to do, here's an experiment I want you to do, okay? Take an egg. If you have a conventional egg or a pasture-fed egg, next time you look at eggs, I want you to really look at them. It's kind of strange, but just look at it. A conventional egg, you can actually crack it with your hand. The white splatters like this. It's kind of yellow, but not really yellow. Now, on the other hand, a good pasture-fed, organic, free-range egg, you have to hit it hard to crack that shell. And then when you put it out, the white stays around the yellow, and it's bright yellow. So guess what? That has so much more nutrition than that conventional egg that just went bleh. So I want you to care about your food. It's time. Please take action. I can't repeat myself more. You've got to care about your food, because that, my friend, is going to fine-tune your body inside. You got to work from the inside out, and that's the bottom line. And so, I have all of these friends and family members and clients and everybody that comes to me, and they have these visions, and then they get frustrated when it doesn't happen overnight. And so here's my question to you. Let's just say that you are on that weight loss path, and that's what you're trying to do. My question to you is, if you haven't lost the weight now, why? Who did you not listen to? What T did you not cross? Because I'm sure that in the past you've gotten some great information, but if your body hasn't changed, the only person who can take responsibility for that is you. And so you've got to make some changes. Put down the cookie, like I say, just put it down. It's not serving your body. It's Sunday. There's probably Sunday football somewhere. So somewhere down the line, someone's setting themselves up to sit on the couch with chips and beer and everything else. But does that serve your fine-tuned engine? Does it really give you power and energy and stamina to live your life the way you want it to live? And is it really going to serve you for your new holiday resolutions? So I'm going to leave you with that thought. I like to leave these short and brief, but I'm going to try to do them more often. And I'm going to try to give you a 10-step action plan. That's going to be probably my next video. I'm going to give you a 10-step action plan so you can get there, because this madness has got to stop. I've got to stop seeing people that come to me that say, yes, I've been on 10 diet programs and they still haven't worked. Because it's like, oh, I want to pull my hairs out. See, I got all these curls. All these curls came from all the different diet plans that I've heard people talk about that don't work. Well, they don't work because you haven't really sat down and hit the plan and focused on it. And so that is what I'd like to see you do, is focus on a plan. But here's the thing. And for those of you who know me, know this, I never call something a diet. And I don't call it a diet because I don't like that word die. I talk about making a live it. And so a live it is a food plan for living. And that's something that you do for the rest of your life, not just for today and the next week or 14 days or whatever it is that you've decided you're going to go on. It is something that you do for life. So today's Sunday. Why don't you go into your pantry and clean it out? Get rid of the junk. Can you do that for me? And then this week, we'll talk a little bit more about what you should be doing. But get rid of all the expired stuff. Get rid of anything that when you look on the ingredients, you can't pronounce it and you have absolutely no idea what it is. Get rid of that too, please. And if it has corn syrup or high fructose corn syrup, get rid of that also. And I know it's really hard to throw out food that's in your cupboard because you're like, well, wait a minute, I paid good money for it. I need to like do something with it. Please just throw it out. It's not serving you. It's not going to serve the next guy. Just throw it out. Let's start fresh. And let's work on some fresh ingredients. And maybe today, because it's Sunday also, maybe why don't you just kind of like randomly search a really good healthy recipe. You could actually go to my website, aditalang.com, find a recipe for this week and make it. And then send me a picture because I'd really like to see that too. So find a recipe, make a new recipe this week, make it healthy, and let's start you on a path to make 2019 the best year yet. Love you guys. Bye.